In this video I've got an extension update for you. My name's Stephen from Inexteriors Painting and Decorators, and you're watching Inexteriors TV. Like I just said, we've got an extension update for you. I'm just going to give you a walkthrough and have a little bit of a chat as I'm doing it of where we are and how we're getting on. Right, so let's crack on. Right, we're well and truly out of the ground now. We've got the blue bricks on. We've got a little bit, we've got a brick to put in there, and then a couple of little pieces of brick, and then that's the opening for the doors. We've just put some hardcore on the outside here just to make it a bit more better to walk around. Now inside we've got it all hardcored. I think there's about 5 inches in there. We're going to be going with I think 150mm insulation and then 4 inches of concrete. The building inspector's been, so we can get on with that as soon as possible. We've got to do and vent this air brick. I think we've got to take it to the closest point there, so that's another job we've got to do before we do the concrete. So I'll just go over here and give you a look. I mean, the brickwork's a little bit messy, but I'm not a bricklayer, and that is generally the first time that I've done blue bricks. So I think some brick acid should sort of clean them up, but the majority of it won't be seen anyway. Another job we need to do is the rainwater, the top water. So there's the pipe dug and exposed. We need to tap into that, put something there, and here. We took this wall out now. We did that yesterday, so that's opened that space up. That's going to be the downstairs toilet inside that cupboard. I've still got to take that down. I mean, that's stopped the dust getting around the rest of the house, but I'll do that shortly. Now, yeah, so I feel we're making progress. I mean, obviously this will all be coming out at some point, but obviously not yet. So we're going to put you back on the tripod. No, I'm going to take you around the front to show you all the rubble. Right. That's a nasty block that. My wife banged a little toe on that yesterday. Right, and round here, now we'll go this way. And round here we've got all this rubble. So yeah, so we're going to be getting a skip this week. So yeah, we are moving on, and I'm really happy. I mean, I'll tell you what, look, one of the main ways how I'm doing this around work is I make sure I do an hour a day or a job a day, and them hours compound. I mean, you can't, obviously, if you lay in the bricks, you need, well, I need a weekend just to do that. You can't just sort of lay a couple of bricks every day. But other jobs you can do is like digging. You can dig for an hour a day. You can move stuff, you know, bring hardcore around. You know, there are plenty of jobs that you can do which an hour a day. Now there's other jobs you obviously, like I just said, you need more than an hour. But that's how I've pretty much done this project so far. I mean, I've spent a lot of Saturdays and Sundays as well. But now's a Sunday and I'm making YouTube videos. So yeah, so because I've done that pretty much hour a day throughout the week, doing jobs that I can do, even moving blocks, getting ready for the next stage, and then the Saturday I took that wall down, it means Sunday, and I don't really have to do anything today. I mean, if there was blocks to lay and stuff like that, I probably will, but I'm going to try and get someone else to build the sides up. But if I can't, then I'll build the sides up. So yeah, so that's how I sort of manage my time around it all as well. So like an hour a day. Don't underestimate when you're doing a project. So when you're busy at work, an hour a day on other projects, and that hour over time will compound into something massive. Remember, it's little things that make big things happen. So thank you very much for watching, and take care, and see you soon. And thank you, and I genuinely mean that.